For the past several weeks, things have been pretty chaotic. You can see in the background that the dumpsters are still there. We've had my husband's eye surgery. We've had renovation in the house because of the water damage and some snags with some big projects that were really important to me. And so it has been very easy to get frustrated. The thing, however, that has kept me moving forward is my prayer chair. Every morning, sometimes earlier than usual now because the construction starts early and I want to be there before they are. I'm sitting there just asking God to help me know what to do that would be the best thing to accomplish that day. But then I read a question in one of the commentaries that said, are you praying or procrastinating? And when everything is in upheaval, it is so easy to procrastinate. One of my favorite verses is on a plaque in the wall beside my chair. My business partner, Andrew Anderson, gave it to me. It says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So my morning prayer is that I would have the strength that I need to not procrastinate, but to do whatever needs to be done. Psalm 77:14 says, you are the God who does wonders, and you have declared your strength among the people. Is there something that you're procrastinating about? It's quite possible you should perhaps pray first, but then don't let prayer be an excuse for procrastinating. God created you to accomplish great things to His glory. And one of the things that will help us is to eliminate our procrastination and pray more.